Hello, this is Kimberly Larson, and I want to review with you today how to go into the Skills USA website and register your students for Champions Rally. The first thing you're going to do is come up here and go to skillsusa.org. When that comes up, you're going to see the national website for Skills USA. Then across the top, you're going to see a button that says Join. You're going to go ahead and click Join. When you click Join, a window will pop up, and this is the Skills USA National Registration website. You'll go ahead and enter in your username and password, and you'll click Log In. When this pops up, you'll notice that you have two options at the top. You either have your members or you have your conference. Today we're just going to go through and see how to register your students for Champions Rally. So you're going to go over here and go to Conference, and you can click on My Registration, or you could go ahead and just click Conference right here, and it will also go into your registration. You'll notice that currently I am in Champions Rally registration because it says Event Filter, and you can see that that's currently where I am filtered, and I can see where those students are registered. Now let's say that we have a student we want to go ahead and register and make sure that they are put in there for Champions Rally. Registration actually closes on Wednesday the 24th. So what I would do is I would go ahead and say click and add new right here. When this is clicked, it's going to pop up and you're going to enter in the registration. Now if it is a member, then I would go ahead and do the registration type as Other or Observer, and then this will go through, and then I can select my members that are currently waiting to be put into the system, into Champions Rally. If it is for an advisor that you want to select, then I just keep on select advisor. Then right here I would then do the drop down, and it will filter out and only show me my advisors that I need to register for Champions Rally. If this is a student who is not a member, but maybe you're just using this as a recruiting tool, then you can go ahead and put their first and last name in here, and you can go ahead and fill that out, and it would not put them in as a member, so you would not have to pay the dues on them, but you're still registering them for Champions Rally, and you'd still have to pay the Champions Rally fees of $15 for the student to get into the Champions Rally, and then the other $20 for the armband to get them to ride all the rides. In this case, I'm just going to take an existing advisor and I'm going to register them. So I'm going to click on their name, and then it's going to just kind of filter, and now I just click Save and Continue. This will go ahead and bring me into the registration area. What I would do is I would need to come in here and enter in some information. Basically on websites, if something is highlighted, it's going to ask you to enter that in. So you can go ahead and enter in their shirt size, noting though that you do not receive a shirt at Champions Rally. It's also going to ask you to go ahead and put in there the participant's address, as well as the gender, the birthday, the age. Right now, if I tried to go ahead and click Save on this, then it's going to come up here and it's going to say street address is required. So it's not going to let me go any further. The big question is how do you put the armband in there? So if you scroll down, you're going to see under Fees and Options here, you'll see it says Add Additional State Fee Item. You'll go ahead and click Add, and then when that comes up, there's a drop down here and you'll see Armband. Now the extremely important part right here is that you actually click the button right here that says Save. When you click on that, then you'll see that armband will be in here for the $20, and then that will be added on to your fees that you'll have to pay to bring the students to Champions Rally. Let's say that you've put this person in, and now you need to go in and you just need to double check to make sure that all your members actually have the Champions Rally wristband, to ride all the rides. So what I would do at this point is I would come back over to my registration, and I just want to go through and double check on each one. So I'm going to go ahead and just click on the first person on the edit, and then I'll scroll down a little bit and I'll see that this person has an armband, and I'm good to go. Scroll back up, there's the little arrows up here at the top. I can click the little next button to go to the next person that's registered in here. Scroll down here and see if the armband. Once I do all of that, then I would just go ahead and save it all at the very end, and then finally I would need to go ahead and just make sure that I submit all of my registration. So again, here's my conference, and when this pops up, I can go ahead and click this Submit button right here at the very top.